Castor oil has been in use as a mild laxative from ancient times around the world. It is also used for many other conditions. But does castor oil help to grow eyelashes? Well, if you go by anecdotal evidence, many people who have used it believe that castor oil does help eyelash growth. In this video we will look closely to understand its usefulness and check if there is any scientific evidence. Then we will focus on how to use it. So watch the video till the end. Eyelash growth is probably not a priority subject for a detailed scientific research, but hair fall certainly has always been. Renoleic acid, a fatty compound found in castor oil, has shown positive results in treatment and prevention of male pattern baldness. So, castor oil has been found to be useful in hair growth. With this premise of hair growth and the anecdotal evidence of the people who have used it for eyelash growth, it makes sense to try out castor oil for growth of eyelashes. Castor oil can be very irritating in the eyes, so take extra precautions using it on eyelashes. Here is how you should use it for the best results. Make sure that you use pure castor oil. Many oils sold as castor oil are mixed with other oils, so check the label before buying it. Links are given in the description box below for ready reference in case you buy online. Apply pure castor oil on your eyelashes before going to bed for better growth. Applying during the daytime may not be convenient for most people. Wash your face with water and dab it dry with a towel. Make sure your eyelashes are clean and completely free of makeup. Dip a cotton swab in castor oil. Close one eye and delicately apply castor oil with the cotton swab on the lash line of the closed eye. Take precautions to ensure that the oil doesn't enter the eye. Then apply it on the other eye following the same routine. Leave it overnight and wash it off in the morning. Do it daily. You can share your experience with others in the comments box below. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.